Right, okay, just thought I'd do a quick vid just to show you my air guns. Right, this one is the Falcon lighthunter. It's a nice little compact gun, skeletal stock, nice little gun. Silencer, of course, it's a 2.2 and it's got a 3:9 by 40 scope on it. And it's a nice little gun to handle. That's the Falcon lighthunter. Okay, this is the Falcon PF25 MP. Nice gun, nice skeletal stock again. Nice gun to shoot. Bit on the heavy side really when you think, but it's a sweet gun to use. It's 177 and it's got a 6:18 by 44 scope on it. It's got a spirit level on the back there that I fitted. And that's about it really for this one. Really nice gun. That's the Falcon PF25 MP. Next, I've got the webley raider. Again, nice little gun. This is a 2.2 and it's got a nikko stirling 4x40 scope. Nice sweet gun to handle. It's got a silencer, of course. Bolt action as you'd expect from a PCP. And that's it really, the webley raider. Next we've got the Air Arms S400 Classic. Another nice little gun. I like this gun. Lovely gun to handle. With this one too I've fitted the, you can see that, I fitted the walnut stock on this one. I think it cost about, I don't know, about 100, 200 quid extra, something like that. Just makes the gun look really nice, the old walnut stock. It's a 177 and it's got a 3:12 by 44 scope. Lovely gun to handle this one. Great for hunting. There you got it. The Air Arms S400 with a walnut stock. Okay, right, last but not least is the weihrauch HW77. Really nice gun. This is a 2.2. It's an underlever, and also this is a Springer, by the way. Gives one hell of a kick compared to the PCPs, but it's an excellent little gun. Not little, I shouldn't say little really, it's quite a mean beast, but still. And this one's got a, it's got a 3:9 by 40 scope. And also what I've done with this one, as you can see, scope mount is a one piece. You see that? Being that these are Springers, they do tend to kick a bit. A one piece is better than two piece mounts. It holds your scope in one place. Did I mention it was a 2.2? Yeah, I think I did. Anyway, that's the HW77. Nice gun.